Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is the lovely Peter Whitfield, who's NAP Honorary Chairman and the founding member of UAC. Peter, thanks so much for being here today.
Oh, Nadia, it's a total pleasure.
Lovely to see
always.
you. Now, tell us about UAC.
UAC is, previously I was involved in the wholesale business and decided during COVID, just having a look around, seeing what was happening, and decided it was a great opportunity for us to reinvent what we were doing a few years ago. So that's basically what we've done. We've opened up a new operation in the US, neutral wholesale only, and we have physical operations in Chicago, Los Angeles, and just this week we opened in Dallas. And then early in the new year, we'll open in Atlanta and in New York. And we'll be servicing the wholesale market, the freight forwarders, e-commerce consolidators, etc., etc.
Well, congratulations. That's great news. So it was a company founded during COVID. How's that affected?
Yeah, we started sort of soft opening, so, you know, a little bit earlier in the year, in July we started, and you know, just put our foot in the water. We did have the fortune of having a really fantastic lead customer taking us into this, so we found it okay. We've had the challenges that most people have at the moment with capacity and ever-changing pricing, so
yeah.
You know, and so we have to deal with that. But the market seems to understand, and we're getting on with it, and we're doing well with that capacity. We're sometimes going into Australia via China and all sorts of different routings,
yeah.
but it gets there. Yeah,
excellent. Yeah. And what are your thoughts or actions on e-commerce and digitalisation in the logistics industry?
Well, it's a must. I mean, it has to happen, and it's happening. I mean, there's no doubt about that. We're a little bit new to this at the moment, so we're watching with great interest and trying to learn as much as we can about how we can improve our systems and services as a result of that.
I see. And what are the benefits of being an NAP member?
Big benefit is the opportunity to meet people from different markets, and as far as we're concerned, starting a new business, knowing that we've in fact don't have to go out and do all that legwork of trying to find new agents in new countries. You know, the trusted people here at NAP are our immediate go-to for any help that we need. And we've been just in this last couple of days here, it's been proven to be fantastic.
Absolutely, lots of networking and reconnecting.
Reconnecting, yeah.
And also, what changes have you seen in the air cargo industry?
Oh, when do you want me to start? I started in this, I don't want to date myself, but I started in the business, the industry in 1965.
Wow.
So I've seen a few changes. You know, we used to have aeroplanes that had things that went around like that, you know.
Yeah.
But it's very sophisticated now, and I guess just challenges now over the last 2 years has been a real upset for the industry.
Yeah.
And but through the whole supply chain, not just on the air side, but you know, so.
And what are your thoughts about CCL TV being here at the event?
Well, I think it's a great innovation. I really do. It gives a chance for people, and particularly our members at NAP, to have an opportunity to, you know, get involved in perhaps supporting their own marketing efforts and so on.
And share their views.
Yeah, share their views, and I know that you've got a great ability to have things pop up somewhere on social media, and you know, some of us just don't get around to doing that ourselves, and so I think it'll educate a lot of people about what they can do with this type of media approach.
Oh, well, hopefully. And thank you so much for your time, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Oh, total pleasure. Thank you, Nadia.